Okay, you're given this implicitly defined relation right here and asked to find the equation of the tangent line at the point where x equals 1, y equals -2. You might want to confirm that that point actually is on the graph. So 1 squared is 1 minus 3 times 1 times 4 is -12. And over here, 1 minus 12. So, yep, that point is on the graph. Now, to find the equation of the tangent line, you need the slope. So, not easy to solve this. Well, actually, it would be pretty easy to solve this equation for y in terms of x and find the derivative explicitly, but we're supposed to use implicit differentiation. So, derivative of x squared is 2x. Here we need the product rule. Well, think of the first function as -3x. So the derivative of the first function is -3 times the second function, which is y squared, plus the first function times the derivative of the second, so -3x. The derivative of y squared with respect to y is power rule 2y, but then you have to apply the chain rule and multiply by the derivative of the inside function because we're assuming y is a function of x. So y prime, or you could call it dy dx. The derivative of x is 1. The derivative of the constant is 0. So there's your formula at this point. Now, I'll draw attention to the fact that you could substitute right now x is 1 and y is -2, and then solve for y prime. But you could also isolate y prime and get a formula for the first derivative in terms of x and y. So I move these two terms or transpose these two terms to the right side of the equal sign, then divided by the coefficient of y prime. And you have the option of saying, well, I'm going to multiply numerator and denominator by -1 so that I don't have this negative sign sitting out front. Okay, and so now if we use the fact that the slope is 11/12, passing through the point 1, -2, we can use point slope. Y minus a -2 equals 11/12 times the quantity x minus x of 1, which is 1. And of course, you could remove the parentheses, subtract 2 from both sides, and get it in slope-intercept form. Okay, so there's a graph of the function, the graph of the tangent line, passing through the point 1, -2. There you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.